I'm Scott Hankey. I'm the owner of On-Site Consulting. If you're watching this video, chances are you've got one of our alerts from our monitoring program saying there's a problem with defragmenting your hard drive. I'm going to tell you in this video what that means, why it's a really good reason for you to bring it in so we can double check it. Your computer saves all its information on its hard drive, all your documents and your photos and your pictures, kind of like this right here. And it puts things in different places. So let's say you erase a file, it'll take two of them out, and when you save it, it puts it back in the first available spot that it comes in, okay? And it's supposed to do this automatically, and every once in a while it's supposed to defragment it. So it takes these files out of a certain place. So it's supposed to move these over and move this one up here and move these over here to fill in all these empty spots so your computer works faster. If it doesn't do it automatically, there's a problem. You either got a bad hard drive, your computer actually doesn't know where the files are, which is going to cause it to go a lot slower, or maybe there's just a Windows error. Either case, we would like to take care of that for you. Just bring it in and we will do the diagnostics on it for free because we don't want you to lose any information. Just bring it in. There's no reason to make an appointment. There's no reason to call us to let us know you're coming in. Just bring it in and say you've got one of those errors that says you can't defragment the hard drive, and we'll know what to do. So when you get a chance, bring in your computer. We're going to diagnose it for free and let you know what we find. Thanks. Have a great day.